what's up, everyone? This is Sonic.exe back. And I've got 61 and hit the button. I beat my world record. So, let me try and beat it. The sound is always off for some reason. Anywho, let's just keep playing. Beat it. Whoopsies. I've only missed one so far. Now I've missed two. Okay. Let's see if I can beat 61. Now I'm still the record holder. Okay, let's go. Come on. I know we can do this. Time to up our game. Time to up our game. 60! That's good! Let's try and beat it again, shall we? Okay. So basically, everybody... Whoops. Oh, geez. Time to up our game. Time to up our game. Blah, 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 blah. Hello, time's ticking. 52, not bad though. Let's try that again. Try one. After this, we'll do it. So, just these 2 rounds left. If I can beat 61. That's not all. Okay, guys. So, everyone. Let's see if I can... Time to up our game. Time to up our game. Oh, 56. One more time, everybody. You know. Time to go fast. Whoops. I'm gonna go for the easy. This one, and this, and this. Okay. Whoa. Time to up our game, everyone. Time to up the game. 53, that's still good. Hold on, guys. I'm going to try one more time, and then I'm going to end the video here. Okay. Okay. Going pretty well. Time to up our game. Oh. I only got 2 wrong so far. Now 3. Oh boy. Time to up our game. Oh no, I know we can do this. I know we can do this. Look, I'm not even looking at the scoreboard. 60. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. So I'm going to end the video here. Oh, and I almost forgot. Make sure to tap that notification bell if you guys enjoyed. Bye.